Good chilly morning to y'all guys. As we continue on the Great River Road, we're going to be getting up to Brainerd today, and then when we get to Brainerd, we get to start going directly south, which is good news. Warmer down south.
First one's here. First one's here.
Sorry, folks, we're closed for 2 weeks to clean and repair America's favorite family fun park.
What?
I don't understand what's going on right now. I was really looking forward to going to Paul Bunyan land here. It's a Sunday in October, and they're closed for the year. I was so looking forward to this stop. This is a Paul Bunyan theme park. Well, there you go. Open every day, Memorial Day to Labor Day. So, I got some more bad information. They close in September. Before I even started the day today, I thought the title and thumbnail for this video would be Paul Bunyan Land, and that would be it. Now, alright. Wow. Man, I am bummed. It'll be okay. We're still gonna find some fun stuff today. We'll get back on the road, I guess. So bear with me, I'm still a little disoriented. Go ahead and make your plans, and then nature and life will laugh at your plans. We're here in Brainerd, officially. Brainerd, Minnesota. And we're still on the right route because there's your sign. We're still on the Great River Road. And there's that pesky Mississippi River. Yeah. All sorts of twists and turns and craziness. I wonder if anybody has ever tried to canoe down the Mississippi River. What do you think? Is that even possible? I'm not sure. No, because there's dams and locks. You have to get out a lot, but let me look at the map and see if we want to do anything in Brainerd before moving on south. Okay, so a little letdown with the Paul Bunyan stuff, but the sun just came out in the last 30 minutes or so here in Brainerd, and they have a water tower that the locals here call Paul Bunyan's flashlight. I mean, I can kind of see it looks like a flashlight, but so far, no sign of Paul Bunyan, so we'll keep looking around town. I am really digging the sunshine. That is fantastic. So as we leave the Brainerd area here in Minnesota, I just went into the visitor center here and was told some shocking information. The movie Fargo, with the big Paul Bunyan in the snow off the highway that says, "Welcome to Brainerd," Big Paul doesn't even exist. It's a movie prop. It's not even a welcome to... I've been looking for it all day. It doesn't exist. That's hilarious. But like I said, the Welcome Center, which is 9 miles south of Brainerd, which we're leaving, does have a Paul Bunyan here. He's kind of waving to us, or waving goodbye to us, I guess is what he's doing. He's a nicer fiberglass, newer version of Paul Bunyan, and I guess we'll take what we can get, right? So let's get on down the road. As we keep following the Mississippi, the next big city is, well, a big one that I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I'm not going that far today, but let's see where the Mississippi winds and takes us today. Okay, see this sign coming up on the right here? Great River Road National Route. Just wanted to point that out. Even though clearly I'm on a pretty major highway right here, this will happen from time to time as you're traveling the road. There just isn't anything closer to the river, so it looks more like a highway, and gas prices will be a lot better here. So I'll probably get gas while I'm on this little stretch right here for 16 miles, and then we'll get back to back roads today. That's how it works sometimes. Also, since we're going south, the sun is right here. I mean, luckily the cab over does block a little bit of the sun from the camera, or it doesn't. I don't know if it does or not. But anyway, yeah, that's That's going to be pretty typical if I'm driving midday straight south, right? Okay. This is different right there. Okay, cool. Jax, I think we're losing fall. The leaves are not quite as colorful as they used to be, huh? Not quite. I mean, there's no color in the trees here. Where am I? Treasure City, Royalton. I'm in Royalton, Minnesota now. Oh man, it's windy, huh? Turn down the wind, Dad. I can't. Sorry. Ooh, another windy day. I guess since we're here parked anyway, I'm gonna check out this possible tourist trap behind me at Treasure City. It's pretty windy outside. Yeah, pretty. Oh, look at that Minnesota Vikings flag. Boo. Alright, let's go check it out. You can pose as a pirate outside next to that pirate. That's kind of cool. I know, but it didn't say no cameras. I didn't see a sign anywhere that said, is this really necessary? I didn't know. It's my first day. Just making the most of the day. I only bought a couple things in there. Got my Treasure City magnet. Pirate, looks pretty cool. He'll fit right there. Yeah. And I think that's all I got. Yeah, that's it. Alright. I'll get back on the road. The world needs to know that your human is not right. He ain't right, Jax. Well, you can tell we're getting closer to a big city because all of a sudden I started hitting traffic. That's right. Even on back road highways, you can tell we're getting real close to a big city. So I'm not in a rush. I don't need to be on the road right now. So I decided to pull off and just kind of wait an hour here at this little city park, I guess. And again, it's only been 5 days since I started this Great River Road trip. When we started, the Mississippi was just that tiny little brook by the lake. This is our Mississippi River here that we're following now. Monstrous. It's about 3 or 4 football fields wide right here. Just amazing. So, I'll get back in the RV, and then we'll get back on the road about 6 p.m. It's different, probably for when they hold events here and stuff like that, so they don't have to run generators and stuff. Oh yeah! So things changed. That's okay. I went to Cabela's and Roger thought I was going to overnight park there. Saw there must have been 5 RVs there. Went in and asked the assistant manager. They said no, they don't allow it. I kind of wanted to say, you know, there's like 5 people living in your lot, right? Okay, fine. I immediately moved on without even going through the store. And came out here to Walmart where I just spent $189 somehow in groceries. Well, I bought a second utility heater because these are hard to find when you need them. I mean, I have so many ways to heat. Well, I have only one ceramic heater, so I bought a $20 replacement just in case that one goes out. And I stocked up on coffee and barley pops because, I mean, I might as well, right? It's 18 bucks for a 24-pack here, or at a gas station it's 30, so it's all good. This is not glamorous or anything here, parking at the Walmart, but I did get permission to stay here. Of course, I had a cart full of food, groceries when I asked, but they've got 1, 2 semi-trucks, 3, actually 4, 5, 6. They have got semi-trucks lined all the way around the property. So it may not be a very quiet stay. That's okay. All I want to do is edit a video and figure out what we want to do in Minneapolis. Yeah, I already gave it away, but my Minneapolis experience is not going to be what you're expecting, so it'll be unique. It'll be my thing. Yeah. Just whipping up some chicken Alfredo, quick skillet meal I got at Wally World for dinner. Oh yeah. Wait, fruits and veggies voluntarily? Are you dying, Eric? Whatever. I like it. Wait, maybe the world has never seen me eat a veggie voluntarily. No, you can't have any. I just fed you, honey. You gotta stay down. You know what? It's not too bad out here. I'm right underneath one of the lights right here, so I feel like I'm all lit up and safe and everything, and it's actually pretty quiet now that rush hour's over with. Anyway, yeah. All right. You guys have a great weekend. Jackson and I will be back from Minneapolis probably on Monday morning. Have a good night, guys. Bye-bye.